Chapter 5. I smack the pool's surface and sink in the lukewarm water. For a terrifying moment, I think I'm drowning in a giant toilet bowl. But I can't be drowning because my head's already out of the water and I'm holding on to the edge and looking at my cousin Rachel, who's clutching her dinosaur float and sputtering. I can tell by her squinty eyes she's pissed. I bump into something when I fell into the pool. Must have been her. "David," Rachel says, squeezing the dinosaur's inflatable neck with one hand and pinching my arm hard with the other one. "Stop falling into our pool." It's not like at least I wasn't holding potato. Oh. My arms tremble as I hoist myself out. I'm coughing and dripping and surprised Dad isn't standing beside the pool to make sure I'm okay. I squint toward the back of the house. Of course Dad's not standing beside the pool. He's lying on his lounge chair, beer in hand. Amy and Lindsay laughed, as though the sight of me, nearly drowned, is hilarious. Even Rachel laughs and makes faces. Well, at least I'm not thirsty anymore. I swallowed tons of chlorinated pool water. "It's like an annual tradition," Amy says. Shielding her eyes from the sun, Lindsay asks, "You all right, David?" I don't answer. I walk away from them toward the house. Dad gives me a strange look as I pass. "Oh, Davy," Bubby says, pressing her palms to her cheeks. Aunt Sherry laughs and shakes her head. "Not again, sweetie." She points toward the house. "Towels in the guest bathroom." I ignore everyone and walk to the guest bathroom, not even caring that I'm dripping water all over Sherry's carpets and floors. Does she think I have the IQ of a Twinkie? I know there are towels in the guest bathroom. It's a bathroom. While I'm drying off, I glance at the toilet and feel my chest tighten. If I, David Todd Greenberg, can't survive my aunt's stupid pool party without nearly drowning, how am I going to survive middle school?